Excuse me, sir. Could you please step over to this table and open your large suitcase for me?
Oh, of course. Is there a problem with my luggage?
No need to worry. This is just a routine security check for international arrivals. Do you have anything to declare to customs today?
I am not entirely sure. What exactly do I need to declare?
You must declare any fresh food, plants, large amounts of alcohol or tobacco, or any new goods that cost more than the legal limit.
I see. No, I don't have any of those things. I only have my personal items like clothes, my laptop, and some toiletries.
And what do you have in this smaller plastic bag here?
Those are just souvenirs for my family and friends back home. I have some local chocolate and some bags of coffee.
I see the chocolate. And how much coffee are you carrying in total? Is it for personal use or for sale?
It is definitely for personal use and gifts. I think I have about 2 kilos of ground coffee in these 4 bags.
2 kilos is perfectly fine and within the allowed limit. Do you have any meat products, fresh fruits or vegetables in your bags?
No, I know those are not allowed. I made sure to finish all my snacks before I got off the plane.
That is very good. And are you carrying any large amounts of cash? Anything over 10,000 euros or dollars?
No, I only have about $500 in my wallet. I prefer to use my credit card for most things.
Everything looks perfectly fine. You can close your suitcase now and put it back on your trolley.
Thank you very much. I was a bit worried for a moment.
No problem at all. Thank you for your cooperation. Welcome to the UK and enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Have a good day.